People think AI is just for chatting or answering questions, but in this video, I'm going to show you how AI can write a full beginner's home canning blog checklist in minutes. Do you see this blog with images in places, safety tips included, with SEO handled, headlines, infographics, and everything? It was done in under 3 minutes and I did not write a single word myself. Let me show you how I did this using Autoblogging.ai. To your dashboard, on your left panel, there are different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulk generate. I'm going to go with wizard because it walks you through everything setting by setting. Article title, I'm going to enter here preserve summer's best beginners home canning checklist. For the language, I'm going to pick English, but Autoblogging supports 30 languages. Perfect if you want to share this guide with an international audience. For the length, I'm going to pick medium, enough detail for canning beginners without overwhelming them. Short is for great quick tips and long is ideal for in-depth tutorials. Here, I'm going to pick listicle because it's perfect for breaking down the canning process into clear and numbered steps. Informative is it creates a guide style article, great for explaining concepts or technique. Places is useful if you're listing local markets or produce stands or canning supplies stores. And service by landing pages is best for promoting canning workshop courses or product kits. Next, for the tone of voice, I'm going to pick second person so it speaks directly to the reader. First person is more of a storytelling type and third person is more neutral and formal. For the style, I'm going to pick conversational. It keeps it friendly and easy to follow, but other options are auto, where AI picks the best style for your topic. Less AI words makes it sound more human written. Premium style 1 is stronger for SEO structure. Snippet optimizer optimizes for Google's featured snippet, which is it adds a playful touch, and professional is great for serious instruction content. Here I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Intense optimized article, it strengthens keyword placement. FAQs will answer common canning questions like what people are actually searching on Google, and it will add in the end of your blog. AI images will add visuals like jars, lids or produce, and infographics will cloud include temperature charts or step diagrams. SERP analysis, now this is powerful. Autoblogging scans top ranking canning blogs, spots the structure, the comment section and builds yours to compete. Instead of guessing, you're following what's already ranking on Google. You can always enable this, and in the source context box you can type how you want your article to be, and you can also select the country where you want to rank first. Here we have additional 4 options, which is great for the blog. Outline from competition uses top blogs layout. External link will add links to USDA guides or trusted food safety sites. YouTube videos will add relevant canning tutorial videos, and key takeaways will add a summary for a quick readers. AI proofreading, just enable this and leave a note here. So it will polish the grammar, flow and structure for the final and clean version. Internal linking, now if you have already have blogs on related topic, then just enable this and add your domain here. The system will automatically link relevant words in the canning checklist to those articles, so readers explore more of your content without you manually inserting the link. Next, human proofreading. Now if you want a real editor to review your article, maybe you want to double check the safety details or adjust the tone for beginners, just enable this and leave a quick note here. For this you will need a human proofreading credit, which you can purchase anytime from your dashboard. Now just hit on generate article, click on the history tab, scroll down and wait for the view like icon here. And your beginner's home canning checklist is ready to publish. But if you want to be quicker next time with your blogs, then you can try this. In the quick mode, go to single. Just type your blog title here. It's just as same as wizard but with fewer clicks. And if you need multiple canning or a food preservation blog, then you can also use our bulk generated option where you can create them all at once, and till 100 blog articles you can create. And yes, you can even auto post it to WordPress right from here. Home canning shouldn't take weeks to document. Autoblogging.ai makes it fast, smart, and easy to create with visuals, SEO, and safety tips built in. And if you're running a food blog or homesteading site but you don't have time for the content every week, you can try our Done For You blog service where we'll handle the entire content for you. If you like this video, then hit a like, subscribe, and drop your next blog idea in the comment, and I'll show you how to build it.